Hi, welcome to NPA Teaching. Today we are going to discuss how to find the sum of an infinite geometric series. Geometric progression is a sequence of numbers where the ratio of any two adjacent terms is constant. An infinite geometric series is the sum of an infinite geometric sequence. This series would have no last term. The general form of the infinite geometric series is a plus ar square plus ar cube and so on, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. As we already discussed how to find the sum of all finite geometric series, but in the case of an infinite geometric series, when the common ratio is greater than 1, the term in the sequence will get larger and larger if you add the larger numbers. You won't get a final answer. The only possible answer would be infinite. So we don't deal with the common ratio greater than 1 for an infinite geometric series. If the common ratio r lies between -1 to +1, we can have the sum of an infinite geometric series. We know how to find the sum of the first n terms in a finite geometric progression. Anyway, once again I am going to repeat, that is, if the starting value of the finite geometric series is a and the common ratio is r is given, then the sum of the first n terms in a finite geometric progression can be found by using the formula, that is, the sum of n terms in the geometric progression is equal to a into 1 minus r raised to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Now this formula can be rewrite in two separate terms, that is a divided by 1 minus r minus ar raised to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Now we are going to consider the infinite geometric progression. The number of terms in an infinite geometric progression will approach to infinity. That is, n approaches to infinite when the number of terms in a geometric progression is infinite. When n approaches to infinite, then r raised to the power n is also approaches to 0, and hence a into r raised to the power n divided by 1 minus r is also approaches to 0. Hence the sum of geometric progression with infinitely many terms is equal to a by 1 minus r. Therefore, the formula for finding the sum of an infinite geometric series is equal to the first term divided by 1 minus common ratio. That is, the sum of geometric progression with infinitely many terms is equal to the a divided by 1 minus r, where r lies between -1 plus 1. Consider the following geometric progression, that is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus and so on, where the first term is equal to 1 and the common ratio, that is the ratio of any two adjacent term, is equal to 1 by 2. Then the sum of infinite term, which is equal to a divided by 1 minus r, which is equal to a is 1 and 1 minus r, which is 1 minus 1 by 2. If you solve this, then you will get 2. So the sum of infinite term of the given geometric progression is equal to 2. Similarly, we have the another geometric sequence, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 and so on. So here the first term is equal to 1 by 3 and the common ratio is also equal to 1 by 3. Then the sum of infinite term is equal to a divided by 1 minus r, which is equal to 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 2. Consider one more geometric sequence, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 plus and so on, where the first term a is equal to 1 and the common ratio r is equal to -1 by 2. Therefore, the sum of given infinite geometric series is equal to a divided by 1 minus r, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus -1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus -1 by 2 will become 1 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 3. I hope you are clear about how to find the sum of an finite and infinite terms of a geometric progression. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.